Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and run Postgres with Docker Compose, full guide step by step clearly. To download and run Postgres with Docker Compose, start by ensuring you have Docker and Docker Compose installed on your machine. If you haven't installed Docker yet, visit the official Docker website and follow the installation instructions for your operating system. Once Docker is installed, verify the installation by opening your terminal and typing Docker version. Next, confirm that Docker Compose is also installed by running Docker Compose version in the terminal. Create a new directory for your Postgres project by typing in dir Postgres Docker and then navigate into this directory using cd Postgres Docker. Now, create a file named dockercompose.yml using your preferred text editor. In this file, define the version of the Docker Compose file format at the top. Use the line version 3.8. Next, add a service for Postgres by writing services, followed by the Postgres service name, like Postgres. Specify the image to use by adding the line image, Postgres latest. Set the environment variables for Postgres by including environment, followed by the configuration for database credentials. Include the following lines under environment: Postgres_user, your username, Postgres_password, your password, and Postgres_db, your database. To persist data, add a volume configuration like this: volumes followed by Postgres_data/var/lib/PostgreSQL/data. Define the volumes section at the bottom of the file like this: volumes followed by Postgres_data. At this point, your dockercompose.yml file should be structured correctly with all necessary configurations. Save and exit the text editor. Now, return to the terminal and run the command dockercompose-upd to start the Postgres container in detached mode. To verify that the container is running, execute Docker Compose PS in the terminal. If the Postgres container is listed, you have successfully set it up. You can now connect to your Postgres database using any SQL client or via command line. Use the credentials you defined earlier to log into your database. To stop the running container later, use the command docker compose down. This command will remove the container and any associated networks, but your data will persist thanks to the volume you set up. That's how you download and run Postgres with Docker Compose step by step. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.